stages.
Now, the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics will conduct a foreign investment survey across the country for 40 days, starting next week. The exercise will be conducted in conjunction with the Central Bank and the Kenya Investment Authority by research assistants who have been receiving training in Nakuru. Now, the survey will take stock of foreign investments made in the country against the country's cash outflows.
We are going to interview firms or establishments in terms of the foreign assets and liabilities into the country. So this work we'll be able to do it in the next 40 days, and we will start it next week. We target to interview 1,150 establishments or businesses.
We want to see how much have they invested outside the country, and then non-residents in Kenya, how much have they invested within the economy. We have also some other modules where we want to get perceptions of these businesses, because in the challenges keep changing. We want to hear from them so that we can document it for policy decisions to be made.
For us, we monitor the gap between our import and exports, the value of our imports and exports, which we call the current accounting deficit. And the narrower it is, the better. Every country would want even to have a surplus, which means you are exporting more than you are paying for imports. Currently, I think the latest statistics from the Bureau is that we are at 4.5% of GDP, which is one of the narrowest since I started doing analysis of balance of payment. We have come all the way from around the 12, some time back, about 10 or so years ago, to around the 4 point something. I can't remember the actual figure, but it's less than 5.